Today we'll discuss CLAT 2021 Best Online Coaching. First, let us familiarize ourselves with the new CLAT 2021 pattern. CLAT 2021 will be held offline. It is a 2-hour long exam. Type of questions will be MCQ. Number of questions will be for undergraduate exams 150 and for postgraduate exams there will be 100 questions and 2 essay type questions. Language will be English. Total marks for UG is 150 and for PG is also 150. As for the marking scheme, for every correct answer 1 marks will be awarded and for every incorrect answer 0.25 marks will be deducted. For CLAT PG, evaluation of the essay section will be done manually by an expert team. Now let us look into why we should opt for online coaching. Now online coaching has a few benefits. First, you can study from the comfort of your house and you don't have to step out. You can get your doubts cleared instantly. You will have access to mock tests and analysis of the same. You will have access to regular legal and vocabulary quizzes and sessions. Finally, you will have flexible schedules. Next, let us look into the online coaching program of ClearExam. There are many hours of live classes which are recorded for the students to avail. Many mock tests. There will be a lot of topic and sectional tests. Monthly GK and current affairs. And finally, All India ranking. Next, let's look into the features of ClearExam online coaching. There are no delays in doubt clearing. Distraction-free learning because the aspirants can attend classes from anywhere they want. They'll get access to the Hindu e-paper so that they are updated with current affairs. They'll be added to dedicated Telegram groups so that they can stay updated with all the official news. They will have access to downloadable e-books which they can study from wherever they want to. And then they'll have non-bounded scheduling, that is they can take mock tests and online tests whenever and wherever they want from. Thank you.